Down. Got him.
Hot. I'm trying to film with the Mark 23 boys.
Oh, he just
He's
touched
roughly,
it.
the line of roughly between the green barrier and the... Hit! He's hit, let him out! That's like saying murder's legal. Not sure how I feel about that. Yeah, that will teach him not to fucking listen to the weekend. Nice shot. Just going to go to that gate to the right. Nah.